What's up, YouTube world? Here to show you how to program a key fob for an MK4 Jetta or Golf. Pretty simple. Instead of paying $300 or $300 plus from Volkswagen dealership to get a key fob and have them cut it, you can buy one offline. I think I bought mine from Discount Keys. It was like 20 bucks or 22 bucks with shipping or something cheap. I went ahead, and since this one is uncut so far, I just got it today. I'm gonna use, you'll need one key that is programmed. This car does not have an immobilizer on it. It's been deleted, so I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. Honestly, I think it's the best way to go. So what you'll need, if you only have one key, which a lot of people do, and you don't want to spend the extra money to order one from Volkswagen, all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx. So what you're gonna have to do is you'll have to remove your lock cylinder from your door, and all that takes is you open your door. I have it removed, and I have an extra one just put in there just for demonstration purposes. So what you'll do is you'll take your T20, you'll take this and remove that little grommet, and when you look in that hole, you'll see a screw. It's kind of hard to adjust, but you'll see that screw, which is your T20 right in there. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to back that out, and once you back that out, you'll be able to loosen this guy right here. And once you loosen that guy, you can wiggle that guy out of there. You'll have to open your door a little bit, wiggle this guy out, pull her out all the way, then make sure there's a little retainer clip on the inside of here. It's a little housing, C-clip type deal. You have to make sure that doesn't fall down in there, or else you'll have to take off your door panel, and that's a lot of stuff that you don't need to do if you can help it. So we'll get down to it. What you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put your key in the ignition, turn it to run, engine off. Go ahead and shut your door. You're gonna take your fancy flathead screwdriver and you're gonna lock your car from the outside. So go ahead and lock that, leave that there. And then you'll press and hold the lock and unlock button at the same time. You gotta do this all within 30 seconds. So you press that, press and hold it. Then you go ahead and hit one of the buttons once, and it'll beep or not. Mine doesn't beep. And then you go ahead and turn this back, unlock your car, remove your fancy tool, open your door. And it's important that you take out your key, your cut key. You have to remove that from your ignition. Now your immobilizer, or not your immobilizer, but now your key is programmed, and you can lock and unlock your door. That's a cheap alternative for you doing it for 20 bucks. Just Google a keysmith and ask them if they cut Volkswagen keys. And I think that'll cost you 40 bucks or so. Pretty sure that's what my guy charges. So for a total of $65, you got yourself an extra key. All right, guys, hope that helped you. Let me know if it works for you or if you have any questions.